Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling prices and weights for each item in both periods. Use the same quantity basis or expenditure shares so comparisons are valid. Once done, convert units and currencies to match. Make sure dates correspond precisely. Now calculate item-level price relatives by dividing comparison prices by base prices. Keep a clear spreadsheet column for each step so you can trace errors later. You compute the last year's index by weighting price relatives with base period quantities or shares. This captures cost to buy base basket at new prices. Then compute the POSH index using comparison period quantities. That reflects the cost of current basket at base prices. Once both weighted averages are calculated, express each as an index, e.g., base equals 100. These two indices form the inputs for the Fisher index, so you now take the geometric mean. Fisher index equals the square root of last year's times POSH. This balances substitution bias versus quantity change bias, which is why Fisher is preferred. Once computed, round appropriately and report with the base period noted. If values look off, recheck weights, price relatives, and unit consistency. A common error is mixing units or misaligned periods. If problems persist, compare component indices to isolate which input is causing the discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.